Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to hide a hard drive volume on your computer. So the only catch to this is it's going to hide it from you as well. So this might come in handy if you have some confidential files and someone's going to be using your computer for a while and you want to hide the whole drive itself so they don't even know it's there. All right, so on this computer we have the C drive with Windows, and we have this secret drive here. And down here we have a confidential files folder with some files in it. And this folder is also shared. I'll show you why that matters in a minute there. So to hide this folder, we're going to use the NIUBI Partition Editor, free edition. So we've used this in the past to do things like rearrange partitions or securely wipe volumes and that kind of thing. So once you're in there, just pick the volume you want to hide, right-click it, click on Hide Volume, say yes. Now once you do that, you're going to have to click Apply. And then before you do that, make sure you have any File Explorer windows closed or any files closed, because that'll avoid any issues and then possible reboots. I've noticed sometimes it asks you to reboot, sometimes it doesn't, so your results may vary. So I'm going to click on Apply. So it says it's done there. So now if we go back into File Explorer, you'll see that the E drive is gone, and if we do a command prompt, try and go to E, can't find it. And if we do the look for the shares here, so we have this confidential files folder, but it'll give you a not accessible message. And many times this shared folder won't even show up. I think if we were to reboot, then it would actually clear it out there. So your results will vary on that as well too, so you have to play around with it. And then if we go and log in with another user, and then go into File Explorer, no E drive there as well. And if this user tries to open the NIUBI program, assuming they'd even know what it did or that it was even installed, they're not going to have a shortcut for it because it appears to install just for the current user that you install it with, not for all users. And if they go find the program executable, they're not going to run it unless they're a local admin. So if they were a local admin and knew about the program and knew how to run it, then they could go in and unhide the drive, but they'd have to be able to do all that stuff, so good chance that's not going to happen. All right, so let's log back in the other user here. Okay, so now we'll go back into it. We're going to unhide it now, so just right-click on it, unhide volume, and then you're going to have to pick a drive letter, so just keep track of what drive letter you're using before if it's important to keep it. And then you got to apply it. And now it pops up as if it was a new drive. And then you can just go into File Explorer. And there's our drive there. And if we go to our share, there's our shared folder. And now we can see our files in there. So once again, just download, install the program. I'll put a link in the description. Find the volume you want to hide. Right-click it, hide volume. Make sure you apply afterwards. Make sure you don't have anything open, and you may or may not have to reboot. I've seen it happen both ways, so your results may vary, like I said. And then you'll be able to hide your drive, and if you want to bring it back, just unhide it and do what you got to do, and then you could rehide it again. Pretty simple. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.